Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. It's time for Mars, Snickers and Twix, but not in ordinary form, in the so-called POTS snack. So here we go. These are 160 grams bags. They are all from Australia. I think it's my first product I test out from Australia. And they are very powdery inside. We don't see them in peak condition, basically. This is like the back side. Well, I open it up and check it out. So always cool to have like a big brand, a name dropper brand with a new product. And yeah, here they are. Actually not that. I was thinking much more damage. Okay, these look actually kind of cool. Looks like a little bit like cereals. And yeah, little chocolate drops. And there's a fill-in. So I get a specimen of each. First I open. I think they will look all. Do they all look identical? Yeah. So we will never find out what was what when I just drop them all in one place. And here we go, Twix. So Twix and Mars look completely similar. This is what the good old cut is for. Yeah, good old opening fail. So many greetings to all my viewers from Australia. If somebody is watching, please write a comment. And let me know whether this is a common product in Australia or whether this is super special stuff as well. Anyways, cut in time. I think this was Snickers, the first one here. First of all, maybe we look a little bit. It seems here these edges start to crumble and sort of fast. Cut is, I always cut stuff. Here we go. And we got inside of this pot the caramel cream. Okay, we don't want to see hairs. Here we go. Here's like the caramel cream incorporated. No, this must be Mars, not Snickers. Awesome concept. So you got best of both worlds. You got a crunchy component and inside a soft chocolate component. This is awesome concept. So Australian food, interesting. So in Australia, there are not only very exotic animals, but like very exotic food concept. It's awesome. Okay. Why is this not in Europe? This has to come to Europe. This product has to come to Europe. It's awesome. So, Snickers. Snickers has more like a more whitish, yellowish fill-in. Let's eat it. That's very different. Oh, this is addictive. It's so cool. This is a very strong peanut taste. This is so cool, my friends. Yeah, I would in the Hall of Fame, this would be still around. It would be good Hall of Fame. So this was definitely worth coming from the other side of Earth to me. Yeah. Here we go, Twix. Yeah. There's like a biscuit taste inside. I don't know how they managed to do it, but we could side-by-side comparison. They managed that they all taste different, despite looking the same. Well, nice, super awesome. Very, very nice review. So, fun fact, I found out the other day in a video about Bookland, about these barcodes. Actually, you could see the land of production on the barcode. So 930 is the first 3 digits mean Australia. So I could have looked onto the barcodes for all these years. Anyways. So this is nice. So the best one is, I would say, Snickers, most aromatic. Mars is like the standard issue choice, and Twix is like if you have a little biscuit taste. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, I love it. I thought this looks like pancake. Here, the waffle component is like a mixture between pancake and ice cream waffle. Well, so thank you for watching. See you on Wednesday. So I have to keep them in order when they win the daily voting. But when the daily voting, I can only make a milkshake or something.